What's going on, guys? Well, hey, I just got to own up to this. I did the Matic video already, but when I went over the metrics in the second half of the video, I accidentally clicked on DOT. So you guys kind of got like a free DOT video update today, which honestly, the metrics on DOT, you kind of get a 2-in-1 video today. The metrics on DOT actually look pretty bullish as well, but we're going to go over Matic. I am literally just going to kind of fly through this video a little bit faster, but make sure I'm on the right one. Matic. Okay, if you guys are watching this for the first time, let me do our standard intro here. We are currently 121 wins and 0 losses. By the way, thank you, Josh, for pointing this out. He called me up and I'm like so bummed on the phone. I'm like, oh no, I totally messed it up. So guys, we're sitting at 121 wins, 0 losses. We took our last win on Luna for 5.31% profit for an exit. And then we have our stop loss moved up to 5.31% as well. And we haven't actually, let me check this really quick, guys, to see if we are actually got taken out of this yet. Let's go to Luna. Let's go to W Luna, Wrap Luna. Yeah, we're still in this trade. So this still looks pretty good here. We actually haven't hit, well, maybe we did actually. Sorry guys, let me just check one quick thing. We actually are probably out of this trade. Did we get triggered out? Yep, that one actually officially did. So we all got triggered out right here. So that one's done. Make sure you guys are using the buy limits on the website for the next Luna trade. I will make sure I post that in Telegram right after this video is done. Okay, let's go over Matic, guys. Great job, guys. You officially won Luna, and we're going to get right back into it. Now, Matic. Okay, let's dive in. You guys saw the beginning part of that, but basically if you guys are new here, here's what I'm looking at. It's a consolidation pattern. The next resistance is at 175. Trend exhaustion being low like this is a great place to look to get into a long trade to ride this thing back up. I'm not going to change this over because I don't want to mess it up again. But look at the emotional index over here. We see the anxious and fearful section this low. If you guys know how to use these indicators, they're in the description. They're 82% off for you guys can snag this. When this trend exhaustion hits bottom red section and well money flow is low, this is where you guys are looking for your scalping trade of 3 to 4%. And because you have the extra confirmation of emotional index, anxious and fearful, this is even a stronger indication. This is a great time to look to get into a trade and ride this back up. I will show you how to get into a trade in this video with really good risk management, okay? Make sure you guys get in these indicators because what you can do right now is when this trend exhaustion gets to the bottom red section, you guys can enter in, and if you want to exit, once this gets to the top red section, you guys will probably take a decent amount of profit on this, which obviously 3 to 4% is what you're targeting, but you could probably do close to around 7 to 8% just at structure high, or just hold the trade until I exit this coin because I'm actually in it, and I'm going to exit around this structure high up here, and you guys will do probably about 7 plus 7, maybe 14%. So it's kind of a win-win either way. It doesn't matter what you do. Market cap strength, guys. You know, market cap honestly is not looking incredibly bullish here. It is moving down while price action is consolidating. So I'm not... Here's the point of this. Market cap moving down while price action is consolidating honestly just shows us that it's a great time to buy. It really is. When you guys have market cap moving down, it's where people's interest is off of that coin because literally if market cap's going down on this metric for a coin, it means people are selling that coin and buying others. So when you see that, it's honestly get into those coins. In my personal opinion, we saw this on ADA as well as we saw it on Dogecoin. We got in at super low prices when nobody was watching it, and now they're going back up. It's pretty awesome. Just show you guys the account real quick if you haven't seen this already. We're up $9,628, and this is in the last about 2 weeks. We hit about 150 break even. So we're doing great. We're doing fantastic here. Nobody who's ever traded with us has ever lost a trade. Again, good long trade. Guys, bullish today. And then look at Well Institutional Smart Money. Yes, they came out here very strong looking for short trades in the market right around this area. And yes, they dropped the market back down. They get what they want, guys. Here's the best thing I can tell you guys. Once you watch this, if you don't see them get it right away, they'll eventually get it. And we stopped. We did not head up any further. We consolidated, and we're having drops now because there's so much pressure being put on this market by whales, institutions, and smart money, guys. Let me bring this to your attention as well, though. We are coming back here very fast back to the break-even point here where it looks like they're probably going to shift back over to long trades again, though. So that is another bullish sign. If we do head down, the structure support I'm looking at is 156, so just make sure you guys are watching for that. 156 is probably where we're going to bounce back up. Watch the buy limits I'm about to show you guys. You guys will get in here and have really good risk management. Dollar cost average entries, if you took an entry down here, you guys did fantastic. Great job, guys. You guys are sitting up like, let me see. Let's take a look at this. Right at the bottom here, you guys got in. You're up about 19%. If you exit where I'm going to exit in Telegram, you'll probably see like a 37% profit. So great job. Again, watch when the trend exhaustion gets back up here. That's where I'm looking for the drop. We saw it up here when trend exhaustion was high, well money flow was high here. We saw the drop back down in the market. Even if you come back in the past over here and you look at trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, guys, this is where the market has been moving back down. Just watch this time and time again. Even before Putin invaded Ukraine, we literally saw this move before it dropped back down. This is just money in your guys' pockets, 3 to 4% scalping this strategy. So Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup now. Before I do that, let me show you this. Our scalping strategy. Go to masterclasses, scroll all the way down to number 7, and you guys will see exactly how to scalp with us. We've got traders doing really good amounts of money in here. A guy did $43,000 with our indicators. You guys can see this right over here. We had another guy do $1,376 overnight with the indicators and metrics. Pretty sweet. This guy did $3,500 last week using the indicators and metrics. And this guy over here did $6,310 in the last 13 days on Cardano and Solana. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty sweet. Okay, let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup here. In order to access this, you guys need to have our membership. It's just $95 a month. You'll get access to all the metrics as well as a Telegram channel with all the entries and exits for every coin that I call. All the masterclasses are yours. The community you guys get to hang out in, guys, and we're also going live on April 14th from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where I'm going to hang out with you guys. We're going to go over these charts and just talk about how we can make more money with it. Honestly, it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, let's go over to Bitcoin. I'm going to show you guys how to trade this because I want to keep Matic, the right chart, private for you guys, okay? Because we're seeing we have members paying for it. Here's what you guys are going to see. 4 yellow lines on the chart for Matic today. Seriously, I really do believe, honestly, if my mom was sitting right here, I'd be like, Mom, I really believe this is a really good trade to get into right now. You guys are actually getting it lower than where I thought a great entry was. You know, but obviously we have our dollar cost entries over here, but even on this big dip, you're going to get it even lower than what I currently have it at. So that's pretty sweet. So when we exit, you'll just be able to make more profit than what we do. Choose the amount you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split that $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250. Now place that $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. Now Bitcoin's obviously up here. For Matic, it's going to be probably close to the structure high, but you guys will see it on the chart. Once you guys do that, you're just waiting for your first buy limit to get hit and just follow me in Telegram. I will call this out. You do not have to worry about me not calling this out. I have $50,000 over here, guys. I'm going to make sure I make a very good call of when we're going to exit this market because I have money in Matic, as you guys can see on your Polygon right here, about almost $6,000, and I will be calling an exit because I'm in this exact trade with you guys. So I will call it out, and you guys can take that, and we'll probably this may be our 22nd or 23rd win in a row, so it'll be pretty fun to watch that. So make sure you guys are getting the indicators in the description. Show that to you guys really quickly. They are currently 82% off. You guys literally get all of our indicators. Excuse me, guys. Woo! Man, my allergies lately, thank you guys so much for writing in all the comments about how to help me with allergies. I get them so bad every year. So, sorry, I guess we're not going to edit this part out. We're just family over here, right? I thought we lost him. Inside joke, if you guys know what that means. Okay, as far as indicators go, the bundle pack is 82% off today, so make sure you guys snag this. The indicators that I use every day on the videos are these 3. These are the ones that you guys want. Coupon code SAVE MONEY at checkout will give you guys 40% off these 3. It's in case you want to buy them individually. Honestly, guys, if you've ever bought any of our indicators individually, just email us and say, look, I bought the trend exhaustion and for some reason I didn't buy the bundle pack when I had the chance. Just email us and we'll give you guys a PayPal invoice and we'll just have you pay the difference and I'll have my team just give you guys the rest of the indicators. Like, we're not going to make you purchase the bundle pack over again from scratch once you've purchased a single indicator. So if you guys have purchased anything individual from us, just email us down here at btradeconfident@gmail.com, and myself, Jake, or Josh will just give you guys a PayPal invoice, and you guys will just get all the rest of the indicators. You do not need a paid TradingView membership to use our indicators. On a free TradingView account, you can upload 3. That's why I have 3. You do not need to pay for a pro or premium TradingView account to use these indicators. I hardly ever use the alerts. Although we have alerts on the trend exhaustion, you can use that. I hardly ever use it, guys, and we've won 121 wins in a row. Free TradingView account is fine. Indicators, you'll get them for life. They're not a monthly fee at all. It's just one purchase. You get them for life, and you get the source codes as well. So guys, snag those bad boys because I think you're really going to like them, and that's how we're making money, and that's how people over here are literally trading for a living. If you can't live off $43,000 in 2 months, I don't know what's going on, guys. This guy down here is doing $100 to $400 a week on average, which is pretty sweet. This guy made $7,000 since March 1st. That's pretty sweet. This guy down here, I have your indicators, and I feel like a god now. I just love that comment. Just think it's funny. All right, guys. Well, that's currently the update. I'm going to go out in today a little bit and hang out in the chat. This is just where our community hangs out. We call it the rooftop crypto chat. My wife and I went to Puerto Vallarta, and we stayed at this hotel, Garza Blanca. And oh my gosh, guys, the rooftop deck at Garza Blanca. If you've been to this rooftop at Garza Blanca in Puerto Vallarta, please email in so I can just we can jive for a second, because it is such a beautiful rooftop. It's the closest to heaven I've ever been. So anyways, you guys come over here and you can chat on this, and like obviously it gets bigger so you can see more of this, but we're just talking as a family over here. We're doing this live. We're hanging out. We're having a blast. So anyways, just want to show that to you guys. If you guys have been there, just, shoot me an email. Just, it'd be kind of fun to see who's been there or not. But guys, have an amazing day. The indicators are in the description. Make sure you guys get the membership. We're going to try to target 130 wins. For 130 wins, we've never lost a trade. The account's doing really well, about getting closer to $10,000 being up. And yeah, long trade, set that up, guys, and I'll call an exit in Telegram for you. It's that easy. All right, guys, I love you. God bless you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next videos we do tomorrow. All right, bye, guys.